she didn't see it.
No, no betrayal.
You can get their heads looking at each other.
Charlie, she just wants to take a nap. Why don't you take one?
Yeah. Oh, good. She's facing away.
Yeah, she's like, leave me alone. I need my nap now. Hours later. Finally, some napping is happening. She's never heard Buddy snore. Buddy's trusting that nobody's gonna come and stick their nose in her face while she.
Don't say her name loud. Her eyes are still open while she sleeps.
What a nice girl you are. Leaving her alone. That was really sweet. That was very nice, Charlie. You're such a sweet girl. Buddy, you have no idea how lucky you are that this one didn't wake you up. Yeah, everybody got a little nap in, huh?
Stretch it out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Gotta sniff where you slept. See, make sure you didn't leave anything up there. No one gave you snacks while you were up there.
Respecting Buddy's privacy again.
Oh, you need to finish your nap. Sorry we woke you guys up.